my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. It's been a long week. I had been doing some Christmas decorations in my living room, now in the bedroom, and then in my craft room. So yeah, I've been quite busy and I hadn't had an opportunity to do an unboxing video. So I received the package, the Forget Me Not collection from Rosie Studios. So we are going to reveal and do this unboxing and check these gorgeous collections. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch a Rosie Studios collection, Forget Me Not. Hey crafty friends, so here is an unboxing video. The new collection of Rosie Studios, and I am unpacking it right now. I'm planning to do a journal with it and some scrapbook layouts, some projects. So I'm going to open it up and let's take a look at this gorgeous collection. Then we'll save the bubble wrap, and it's, sorry about the glare. So the collection, it's called Forget Me Not, and it comes with die cuts, cardstock sentiments. So these are like super nice, like if you are doing journals or scrapbooking, definitely. Then, oh my goodness, look at these butterflies. How gorgeous. They're embellishment butterflies and they look like they're like printed acetate. So cute. And these are the chipboard embellishment. So it has two sheets. Trying to get rid of the glare. Then the stickers, super cute with all the words, puffy stickers, and then more puffy stickers with words, and I love these clear stickers. Look at that, how cute. And the ephemera. Look at all the ephemera. Look at all the flowers. Oh, I love this bear. Super cute. And then the paper. Oh my goodness. This paper is gorgeous. I had been quite busy with my house, you know, decorating things for Christmas, decluttering my basement. So if you're curious to see, you know, that type of content, I have another channel called Blue Row House. I will leave the link down below. And also I will leave the link where you can get this gorgeous collection, Forget Me Not, from Rosie Studios. So I'm going to come closer. So the collection, the paper, it's single-sided. Love these flowers. Then the pink. More blue flowers. Okay. Then these are hearts, but they have like gold foiled hearts. Look at this. You see? So cute. Green. Oh, I love this one too. Lovely. And this plaid one too. Nice. Flowers. Crosses. And the cross, it's also golden. See that? tiny little flowers. Hello, hi. Kind of like vintagey style. And envelopes with flowers. More flower pattern. Tiny V's. Oh, the doves with envelopes. So cute. Pink. And flowers with pink, light blue, blue, and green colors. And then, oh, I love this. This is also foiled. And love these hearts. The camera, of course. And these other patterns. So this is a gorgeous collection. It's called Forget Me Not, and it's from Rosie Studios. So I'm going to leave the link to the collection, and Rosie Studios social media accounts. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.